Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Yakutat local and long-distance movers near me. Finally, you cracked the interview of your dream company and you have been asked to relocate. Moving to a new city is not a challenge, but shifting your belongings is, right? Relocating takes time. All the planning, strategizing, searching for a new home, and planning the budget isn't a day's task. Searching for a professional to help you change cities with a truckload of possessions? Well, we know how hard it can get, which is why we are here for you. 3 Movers has over 20 years of experience helping people move to new cities. We have all the required tools, a professional and highly trained staff to make your shift quick and hassle-free. Apart from 20 years of experience in the industry and extremely professional staff, here are some more reasons why 3 Movers should be your first choice. We use secure wrapping material. We provide access to wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving services. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.